Welcome to Jill of All Trades Day at Conestoga College 2025, Machining and CNC Experience. What is Jill of All Trades Day? Jill of All Trades is an initiative launched in 2014 by Conestoga College in Ontario, Canada, to encourage young women to explore careers in skilled trades. The project that we're working on today is a dice keychain. Because it is a dice, it's easily recognizable and it looks cool. We are manufacturing this in 4 stages. Stage 1, prefabrication. This is done before the students enter the shop. Square the block and complete 4 sides of dimples and all of the chamfers for the complete block. Hi, I'm Beverly Roach. Welcome to Jill of All Trades.
This is the final product here. Keep in mind, this one's from 2 years ago, and I will show a new one this year.
Here we're doing CNC machining. So basically I've just loaded a part right now, just in the mill like that. And we're gonna run these parts. Right now we're making dice. So we'll see up here where our CNC machine will actually read the code to create all of the different tool paths to create the holes for the dice, as well as the chamfers on the edge. So we'll look in now and just watch it run. There we have it, side 2 is done. Okay, so this is for side 3 now. Close it up and just let it go. This is op 1 of 6, so we do sides 1, 2, 6, and 5, as well as the chamfers on all sides. Stage 2, CNC part 1. Insert the block on a 45 degree and drill the hole for the keychain. Part 2, engrave the year and Jill of All Trades on the side that has 1 dimple.
Okay, so on this operation, we're just putting the hole for the keychain. So the machine's gonna come down and we're gonna punch a hole right in here.
And again, we just press up a step. So here we run the coolant to make sure that we can evacuate chips as well as keeping the cutter cool. We're all done. Okay. So now we have our angle that we can put our keychain through. And then we cycle start from there. Now that the operation's done, we just take it out, and this is what we're left with. Yep. Stage 3, manual machining on the Bridgeport machine. Move in an X, Y, and Z location to fabricate the dimples for side 4 and the dimples for side 3 using 2 different setups.
At this station, we're going to place our cube in, up against our stop, tighten the vise, and we're going to move to these positions to create the 4 pattern. Okay, on this station, we're going to manually make the 3 by placing this in here and moving to these positions.
Stage 4, the finishing operations. We will deburr and polish the surface and paint the numbers and the engraving and install the keychain loop.
But this is the finishing operation. So basically they're going to sand and smooth out the block. They're going to use paint markers to paint the dots, and they're also going to insert a keychain loop.
And that was Jill of All Trades Day at Conestoga College 2025, Machining and CNC Experience. Like, share, and subscribe.